2027. That's how long Bank of America says you'll be waiting for a Fed rate cut. This just dropped, and most investors have no idea what's about to hit them. Here's what's really going on and what you need to be thinking about right now. Because this isn't just a forecast revision. This is a fundamental reset of the entire rate narrative. Bank of America analysts have just moved their Fed rate cut forecast to the second half of 2027. Not 2025, not 2026, 2027. That means the Federal Reserve is expected to hold rates at elevated levels for well over a year longer than markets were pricing in just weeks ago. Multiple Fed officials are signaling the same thing right now. Inflation is still sticky, the economy is still running hot, and there is simply no urgency to ease. Here's the gut punch. The Fed funds rate stays restrictive through all of 2025 and all of 2026. Every month of delay is another month of pressure on borrowing costs across the entire economy. Mortgage rates staying high, consumer credit staying expensive, corporate refinancing costs still biting. Growth stocks and long-duration assets are getting repriced right now as the market absorbs this call. Rate-sensitive sectors, REITs, high-multiple tech, speculative names, they don't like this environment at all. But here's what nobody is saying about this yet. The real danger isn't the rate forecast itself, it's the repricing of assumptions that follows. Billions of dollars in institutional folios were built on a 2025 or early 2026 cut cycle. Those models are now wrong, and when big money has to reposition, retail investors are almost always the last ones out the door. Think about that for a second. The consensus was wrong, again, and the window to adjust is narrower than most people realize. 2027 is a long time to be on the wrong side of a rate call. What does this BofA forecast mean for your portfolio? Drop it in the comments. Let's hear what you're thinking. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.